Right. Ugh, murky water. There's a little bird there. A bunch of them in the tree. Got another bird there. I'll tell you, all the birds are out today. There's another little butterfly. Oh, there's another little teeny tiny little bird. Wow, I've never seen one of those little tiny ones, the little baby ones then. Up in the tree just a minute ago. The one, not that one, but the one we just gone past, the second one. They're getting tinier and tinier. And I'll tell you what though, everybody doing their little bits and bobs and stuff, their bits, right, with the emissions, carbon emissions, like no driving on the roads and stuff. I'll tell you what, it's going to feel much fresher, the whole air and all that, much cleaner. Clean as a whistle. And there's the whistle. Right. Oh, I think my arthritis is kicking in again into the knee. I wonder what's down there. Right, let's go up. Right. Ooh, this little blackbird. Right. This way. But a nice sort of, once they went through, yeah, countryside and all that. Lots of countryside. But anyway, guys and girls, I'm going to finish off this episode here. Cheers for watching.